Alright, listen up. If you want to run a business online, you need a Facebook page. And if you're planning to run ads, you need a Meta Business account. No worries though, I'm gonna walk you through the whole process step by step, even if you've never done this before. Let's begin. Alright, step 1. Creating a Facebook page. First things first, head over to the facebook.com/pages/create and you're going to see a few options. The personal profile and the public profile. The public page. The public page is we're going to be focusing on. Click on next, then click on get started. Now, enter your page name. This should be your business name or whatever name represents your brand, right? I'm gonna put something like Fall Gallery. Next, pick a category. If you're running a clothing store, choose clothing brand. If it's a digital service, choose something like marketing agency. You can put up to 3 categories here. Then write a short description about what the page is about, right? Keep it simple and straight to the point. So I will put something like Now, click on Create Page. Now, you need to finish setting all of this up here, or we can do this later. So we can click on Next, and from here, customize your page. Now, upload a profile picture, has to be your logo, and add a cover photo, right? So this is going to be the cover photo. So this is going to represent your brand, right? So you can find these from Canva. There are thousands of logos here. Search them up, pick one you like, and use them. Boom, your Facebook page is now live. But hold up, we're not done yet. Alright, step 2, setting up a Meta Business account. Now that your page is set up, let's make it official with a Meta Business account. Head over to business.facebook.com. I'm going to put all the links in the description to make it easier. And you will see a create account. Click on that, and that will take you to this page where it says create a business portfolio. Here, enter your business name. Again, keep it same as your Facebook page for consistency. So I'm going to put mine. Now, use an email that you actually check, because Meta will actually send you the updates and verifications, right? So in this case, I'm going to use my email that I actually use. Great. Now, put your first name and last name. In my case, my name is Islam. Oh no. Done. Now, click on Create. Alright, now, fill in your business details. From here, you can add another person by email. We don't need this, so next. And then click on Confirm. And that's it. Your Meta Business account is set up. Now you can connect your Facebook, set up ad accounts, and manage everything in one place. How convenient is that? This is why I like Meta, right? Alright, after that, step 3. We're not done yet. Navigating Business Manager and key features. This is where the real action begins. Alright, now that everything's set up, let me quickly show you around. This is where the real action happens, right? Alright, inside your Business Manager, go to Pages tab. From here, you can create new pages, add existing pages, and even manage permissions for different team members, right? Then there are three important sections when it comes to managing access, right? So the people, the partners, and the system users, right? So the people, this is where you add team members who will work on your business, like marketers or employees. Partners, this, if you're working with an agency or a freelancer, you can grant them access from here. System users, this is for advanced users who need API access, like if you're integrating third-party tools. Now these are advanced stuff. You want to keep this video simple. Alright, step 4. Key meta ad features you need to know. Look, if you're serious about growing your business, running ads is a must. Let me show you the most important parts inside Meta Business Manager that you need to know, right? Okay, in the accounts section, pages. This is where you manage your business pages. So you can add and you can delete whatever. Ad accounts. This is where you can create and manage ads. Okay, after that, data sources. This is where the real magic happens. Really, inside data sources, the two most important things are pixels and datasets, right? So pixels and datasets. So let's talk about the pixels. This tracks website visitors and helps you retarget them with ads. If you're running an e-commerce business, you need to install Pixel. This is a must, right? Datasets. This is where you manage audience data, like customer lists and analytics, right? So that's pretty much it. And of course, the heart of everything, you click on all tools, is the Ads Manager. The Ads Manager. This is where you create, track, and optimize your ads. Whether you're running engagement campaigns, conversions, or retargeting, this is the place where it all happens. Anyways, that was a lot of info, but trust me, this is just the beginning. There's so much more to cover, from running your first ad to setting up high converting campaigns. I'll be making a ton of videos on Meta Ads, Google Ads, and everything social media marketing, right? So if you don't want to miss out, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications, right? Also drop a comment below. What's your business about?